Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the software to our software to make sure that the internet is working, your internet is working properly, and the modem is always at the correct functional state. Now, how to do so? Go to latechef.com. This is a website that everybody shares the recipes. I'm not too sure if you're using it or not yourself. We would suggest you to give it a try. So scroll down to the bottom of our page, and at the bottom you'll see at the footer courtesy link. Click on the courtesy link, and here's the instructions on how to use the software. Scroll a little lower and you'll see a download link. Click on the download link, make sure you save the file. Now open the folder where the file has been downloaded. I would suggest cut it or copy it and then paste it at C drive like I did so. Make sure, I cannot emphasize enough, make sure you save this at the C drive. This will not work any other directories. It must be at the C drive. Now once you copy so, extract it, and you'll see the folder called online. So open the folder and you'll see the online software right here, and it will have the same logo as our site LateChef. So double click on the software. Once to do so, you'll see the application will be loaded here. I would suggest to pin it at first, and this is the state that you'll see the main screen. There's two LEDs here. One is called online and one is called network. The online LED will be indicating the status of the internet communication of your PC. So if you're having the internet active at the moment, then it will be green. And then the second LED will be indicating the status of the modem. So if the modem is at the health state, then it will be green. If there's any issues found, such as some data crash on the modem, but the modem is still able to communicate with the internet, but at slower speed, let's say, it will be yellow. If it is red, that means the modem has encountered some issues and it's unable to actually pass the data through the web to your PC. So that would go red. So once the modem would go red, inevitably the internet will go red as well. Now, how to go about setting this up? Click on the settings bottom, and here you'll see IP address, username, and password. So the IP address here is the IP address of your modem. So once you type that into your browser and you press enter, you'll get into your modem settings right here. So once you're at your modem settings, you should be able to make some changes. So if you're trying to make changes to your modem settings here, or you're navigating through, you might be prompted with a username and password. So if your case you're getting a username and password, you must enter the username and password right here. So most typical username are admin and the password are admin, but if you don't have it, just remove that state. Then the next step would be to send the commands to your modem. So here we have default 1, default 2, and smart RG. This is the modem that's actually being used in Canadian networks by TechSavvy, ACNAC, and Bell subdivision providers. But we would suggest you to use default 1, and to make sure that default 1 is sending the correct command to your modem, press test. You'll see the black screens flashing. That means the modem is getting commands from this software. So click a couple of times to make sure that the commands are sent and the modem is acknowledging and receiving them. Some modems require one time, some modems require 2 or 3 times, depending on the modem. So I suggest you to use 3 times to make sure that it's sent correctly. And once you press the test button, those black screens flash. Physically go and check on the modem to make sure if the modem is restarting or not. If the modem does not restart, so the LEDs don't go blank and start from scratch from power to go back on, then that is not the correct command. So make sure again to see physically that the modem is restarting. If it did not restart under default 1, try default 2. Once again, press test a couple of times, few times, and now check your modem again. see if the modem is restarting. If the modem is restarting, then great, the software is ready to go. Click on back and you'll see the auto check mark here on the main screen. So the auto check mark will actually allow the software to start monitoring once it's being launched. So it will start monitoring the internet, the modem state, and it will start making any necessary changes to make sure that the modem is at the healthiest state to provide you with the high-speed internet. Now, if you want to make it absolutely automated, so at the startup of the system, go to the folder where you just extracted the files, the software. Right-click on the main software and click on Create Desktop Shortcut. So once you create the desktop shortcut, copy and or cut that and paste it at the startup folder, like so, like we did so. And now every time your computer will start, it will actually launch the software automatically from this folder, and the software launch auto start will be showing, and it will start monitoring and making any changes to your modem. Now if you're running Windows 8, it's a bit tricky. The startup folder is not indicated any longer at the start menu. So here it is. You can actually use any two of these command lines to actually get into your folder. So here you will have to enter your username of your PC, but here you don't. So just copy one of these and paste it at the folder, and you will be able to enter into the startup folder. Well, that was basically it, how to use the software and set it up. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.